हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी फ्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 30, 60, 90 डिग्री एंड 45, 45, 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.1 एंड प्रॉब्लम सेट 2। टू अंडरस्टैंड सॉल्यूशंस प्लीज वॉच फुल वीडियो, और अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी। The first question is, find RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. In triangle PSR, S is right angle and P is 30 degree and SR is 6. In triangle PSR, angle S is equal to 90 degree, angle P is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle R is equal to 60 degree. We know addition of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, the remaining angle of this triangle should be of 60 degree, and SR is given 6. So this is triangle of 30, 60 and 90 degree. Therefore we will use 30, 60, 90 degree triangle property to solve this question by property of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. The side opposite to 30 degree, that is SR, is equal to 1 by 2 into hypotenuse RP. SR is given 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into RP. We'll change side of 2. So it will be 6 into 2 is equal to RP. Therefore, RP is equal to 6 2s are 12. And PS is side opposite to 60 degree, and side opposite to 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse RP is equal to root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse RP is 12. काट लेते हैं यहाँ पर 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So PS is equal to 6 root 3. Second question is, find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 cm. यहाँ पर हमने स्क्वायर बना कर लिया है, स्क्वायर ABCD. We know angles of square are right angles. Therefore, angle B is of 90 degree. AC is diagonal and it is given 10 cm. We will write here ABCD is square. ABCD is a square. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degree. And we know sides of square are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles right angle triangle. And therefore, the angle BAC and BCA are of 45 degree. And the triangle ABC is of 45 90 degree triangle. Therefore, we will write in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle BAC is equal to 45 degree, and angle ACB is equal to also 45 degree, as AB is equal to BC. We will use property of 45 90 degree here. By using property of 45 90 degree triangle, we have to find out side of square. Side of square is AB. AB is equal to 1 by root 2 into hypotenuse AC. AB is equal to 1 by root 2 into AC, and AC is given 10 cm. Therefore, AB is equal to 1 by root 2 into 10. That is 10 by root 2. डिनोमिनेटर हमें रियल नंबर चाहिए होता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर रूट 2 से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. सो इट विल बी 10 रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So AB is equal to 5 root 2. इस तरह से we get side of square and it is 5 root 2 cm. Now we will find out the perimeter. And perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. It will be 4 into side is 5 root 2 is equal to 4 5s are 20 root 2. इस तरह से हमें आंसर मिल गया है. सो विल राइट द आंसर. देयरफॉर side of square is equal to 5 root 2 cm and perimeter is equal to 20 root 2 cm. Now we will see third and last question. The question is, find the height of an equilateral triangle having side 2A. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए यहाँ पर हमने इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल बना कर लिया है. ट्रायंगल LMN. साइड हम इसका दिया हुआ है 2A. Therefore LN, MN and LM तीनों भी रहेंगे 2A. And we know the each angle of equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Therefore, angle L, angle M and angle N are of 60 degree. We have to find height of this triangle. For that, we will draw perpendicular from L on MN. Which is LT. Angle N is of 60 degree. And to find out height LT, we will take triangle LTN. To find solution, first we will write triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle with side LN is equal to 2A and LT is perpendicular on MN. To find height LT, we will take triangle LTN. In triangle LTN, angle LTN is equal to 90 degree. Angle N is equal to 60 degree, and therefore angle TLN is equal to 30 degree. Angle angle TLN is of 30 degree, and we will use property of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle to find out LT, which is height of equilateral triangle LMN. By property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle LT, which is side opposite to 60 degree, is equal to root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse LN, which is of 2A. LN is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2A. यहाँ पर 2 कट जाएगा, therefore LT is equal to root 3A. Therefore, we will write answer here. Height of given equilateral triangle is root 3A.